back to work. Itong dalawang koponan na ito, Generica Lifesavers versus Signal HD Spikers. Set number 1, masiso battle yan. Dito sa bakbakan ng Signal HD Spikers at saka ng Generica Lifesavers. Back to work ang ating tema sa larong ito dahil nga nasa Group B sila. It was a good start. Hindi naman sila sluggish nung umpisa. Pero kinakailangan alogin ni Coach Mai Generica para lumaban. Pero kung dulo, Signal pa rin ang naman.
Ang nangyari kasi dyan, Signal came out more aggressive right away. Kaya na-dictate nila yung tempo ng game. But when Coach Mai said, hindi ba kayo nahihiya sa performance nyo? Doon sila nagising. Tapos humabol sila. Ang laki ng run, di ba?
Dito sa set number 2, bumalik ang buhay ng Lifesavers. They won it 25-23.
It was a better performance from Generica Lifesavers. They had more plays. They had great blocks. The coverage was there. They were more alive. Ang Signal, masyadong madaming service errors. Masyadong madaming hits that were going wide. But you know, it was a really close game as you can see.
Napakagandang aksyon sa pagitan ng Signal at ng Generica. They have to bounce back. They have to get back to work. At ang Generica, hindi nila nakuha yung set 1, but they worked to get sets 2 and even set number 3.
Yeah, ang Generica, nag-lead sila for quite a bit in this particular set. But Signal, hindi sila nagpabaya sa kanilang defense and offense humabol. Kaya nga yung end score natin is 25-23 because talagang nag-work extra hard ang Signal. The problem was they waited too long to work that hard.
Makabalita will be serving for Generica.
Oh!
And that's an ace to end.
Ang ganda ng performance ng Generica in the first set. Medyo mabagal ang galaw nila. In the first match, when they met, Signal won. This time, they had some service errors here and there, but nagkaroon sila ng good first ball. Their libero, si RJ Rivera, really did a good job in getting those hits.
Yan po ang ating mga score per set. 2, 3, and 4 napunta sa Lifesavers.